Hello students, very good morning. This is our social studies class. Today we are going to start lesson number 3, the earth and its neighbors. You all have read the lesson and this is the small activity I have given to you yesterday. So you all have done. Follow the stars, color in each star to reach the planet Earth. So you all must have done it. Now, do you know that our Earth is a part of the solar system? Let us learn about it. In this lesson, we will study about location of the Earth in the solar system and the Earth's neighbors. Up till now, what we have studied? The Earth is made up of air, water, land, and atmosphere. The Earth is the only planet in which life exists. Now we are going to study about the Earth. Our Earth belongs to the solar system. Besides Earth, there are 7 other planets in the solar system. All these planets are Earth's neighbors. See, this is the solar system and our Earth is in 3rd position. See here, it is the 3rd position and it is the only planet where life exists: water, soil, air. Now what is solar system? Solar means of or from the sun. The energy which we get from the sun is the solar energy. The solar system includes the sun, the 8 planets and all the other smaller objects that move around it. The sun is the center of the solar system. All the planets, including the Earth, move around the sun in their fixed orbits. All these planets do not have a light of their own. They get light from the sun. The 8 planets in the solar system are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. See here, solar system is shown here. This is the sun from where all planets get the light. See here, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, then Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. These all planets revolve around the sun, and sun is the huge ball of hot fire and burning gases. In this solar system, Pluto was also there, but earlier Pluto was counted as the 9th planet of the solar system. However, it was later removed from the group of planets. It is now called a dwarf planet because it is too small to be a planet. Earlier, Pluto was also there in the solar system. It was on the last, but it is very small. It can't be seen. That's why now it is removed from the group of planets. All these planets move on their fixed orbits. These are the fixed orbits. They don't clash with each other. They have fixed orbit around the sun and they continuously revolve around it, including the Earth. Our Earth is on 3rd position. We live on the planet Earth. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system. Mars is also known as the red planet. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. Saturn is surrounded by bright rings. Uranus is the 3rd largest of the 8 planets. Neptune is the 8th planet from the sun. Now in this paragraph, description of all planets are given. So first of all, what is Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. Mercury is on 1st position. It is the very closest to sun. And Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system. Venus is 2nd. Second, Venus is the hottest planet. Why? Because it is also near to the sun. Mars is also known as the red planet. Mars is known as the red planet in the solar system. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. This Jupiter, you can see the size of the Jupiter. It is very large among other planets. Saturn is surrounded by bright rings. See the figure of Saturn. Rings are around the Saturn planet. Uranus is the third largest of the 8 planets. From these planets, Uranus is the third largest. First is the Jupiter, next is the Saturn, and Uranus is the third largest planet. Neptune is the 8th planet from the Sun, and Neptune is the last 8th planet from the Sun. Besides the Sun and the planets, the solar system consists of natural satellites or moons, asteroids and comets. Besides the Sun and planets, see this is the universe, and this solar system also consists of natural satellites. Besides these planets, you can see here small things are there. What are they? They are natural satellites or moons. Earth is also having a moon. Like us, other planets are also having moons, and around us asteroids and comets are also present.